So I am in Brea at Bruxie. Excited. This is the first time I've been here. You know, all the foodies I follow, they've been here and they post all the amazing stuff, the chicken and waffles and the salads, which big monster salad, which is amazing. This right here, got the holy, gonna try the whole, gotta go start with this, you know, chicken and waffles, the fried egg on top, and then the jefe, which is a huge chicken sandwich with the jalapeno slaw and chipotle sauce. Yeah, we do that. First, let's dig into the holy. How do you do this? Just go for it, huh? Do you? Oh, I don't know. You can't eat that like a sandwich. You serious? Messy is good though. You're right. You do have to eat it like a sandwich. Can you see that bite I got right there? Oh man. I got like a perfect bite of chicken, bacon, the syrup, the waffle. The egg, it's like the whole breakfast meal in my mouth. Super messy. Syrup, yeah, there's syrup in it. I think. It better be. There's something sweet in there. Oh, cheese? Is that cheese? Yeah, there's just a lot going on. You take that big bite. This is food. This is some fun food. And now I know why they have the paper towels at every table. This is really messy. But I mean, you have to just get in there and eat it. It's really good. That's one way I would describe this restaurant. It's just really fun food. That chicken though. Oh. Chicken is you can tell they put a lot of work into that chicken. It's marinated and brined and it's fried up really good. The breading is unreal. Definitely dig the atmosphere of this place. So this location, nice and open. You got the music. It's holidays right now, so you got the holiday music going. But no, this is cool. All right, so now we're moving on to the jefe. Should I just bite into it or cut it and bite it? I'm gonna bite it. Okay. Oh my gosh. I think we're gonna go in right here. We're gonna get all that. I see like jalapenos in there. And onions. There's a lot going on in there. Holy cow. So you got the chicken, the crunch of the chicken, the slaw, a little bit of jalapenos going on. It's that sauce though. It's a chipotle sauce. There's a lot of chicken in there. Ooh. It's when you get these little accents of the jalapenos and the little spice in and out, running in and out. This is really good. Just a big, amazing chicken sandwich. This is so good. All right. I think that concludes my review here. Overall, give everything I've had here today. Oh, A+. Everything's so good. All right, so definitely check them out.